Hey there, welcome to the video. My name's Andrew and you are watching Red Blue Labs. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating something that I do quite a bit inside of Virtualbox, and specifically I do it when I'm on client sites where I have access to an Ethernet and I have access to a wireless network. So on your screen, you do need to have a configuration so that you have your laptop physically plugged in with the Ethernet and also connected to the wireless network. Okay, so you do need to have both those connections working, because what we're going to do is that we're going to put our virtual machine here onto each of those networks separately. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the network that is currently configured. So what we do is we go over to Machine on our virtual machine and we click on Settings. And we come on down to Network, and we're going to look at what we have currently set up. So in this video, I'm not going to be modifying this. I'm going to be leaving it as bridged, and we're only going to be modifying this part here, which is where we choose our network adapter. Currently, I have it configured to be on the wireless network adapter. In a moment here, we're going to change it over to the Ethernet. So this is how we would go about changing our virtual machine to different adapters. So we're okay with it being wireless. Let's check out the IP address on our Kali machine here. And we currently have a 1.74 IP address. Awesome. When I'm on a network or I've just switched to a new adapter and I've got an IP address, I like to actually ping out of the network to see if I can reach anything outside. And Google's DNS here is a really quick and easy test. So we can see that it successfully went out because we have some response ICMP packets here. So ping does ICMP packets. So there you go. We are currently have our Kali machine connected to the wireless network. Let's go ahead and modify our Kali machine so that it's connected to the Ethernet cable. So now these are the same network, it's just we're connecting to it in a different way. Machine, settings, and go down to network again. And in this case, this time we're going to be changing it to Ethernet. And we'll hit OK. So we've changed things in this virtual machine, but we do need to do something very important first, and that is actually let's go ahead and reboot the machine. There are some commands that we can run to do that without rebooting, but in my experience, sometimes IP addresses sort of like hang out and are kind of annoying. So a quick reboot actually kind of just solves that problem. So let's go ahead and do that. Depending on how much memory you have set to your virtual machine, this will go faster. Okay, let's do a double check just to make sure that we are in fact connected to our Ethernet network here. Go down to network, and yes, that configuration was saved. And we'll check out the IP address, and it is the same, and that's okay because this is the IP address that was requested the last time we were in this network, because previously I was in wireless or Wi-Fi, and now I am in Ethernet on the exact same network. We're just connecting it in a different way. Let's go ahead again and ping out and see if we can get there. And yes, we can, because we've got some ICMP packets that are coming back in. Awesome. Why do we bother doing this, switching between network adapters like this? Well, it's extremely useful. Sometimes you're going to be in a client environment where there is no wireless. Boom. Or you are in a network where everybody's using the Wi-Fi and there is no Ethernet available. So you have to be able to switch between it. So there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I got a couple of videos on the screen that I think you're going to enjoy. So go ahead, give those a watch, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.